Oh, buddy, I'm so sorry you're scared. So guys, here we are down in the greenhouse, and I have a little hummingbird in here. Man, I feel so doggone bad for him. He's frightened. So, I'm just gonna get on out of here. I'll see if I can get another really good view of him, and then I think we better just leave him alone. Well, he's a beautiful little guy. That's beautiful. So you never know what to expect in your greenhouse, right? It's like the secret little world that you don't expect. Anyway, guys, here we are in the greenhouse, and we've got some beautiful hummingbird action happening. All right, see you, everybody.